Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve this tricky negative exponent problem 2 power minus 3 times 4 power 2 by 8 whole power minus 1. So let's start. So we know that if it's term a power b, so a is the base and b is the exponent. So in this simplification, I am converting all the base in terms of 2. So 2 power minus 3 times 4, I can write it as 2 square whole square by 8, I can write it as 2 cube. That is 2 times 2 times 2 whole power minus 1. Now, according to exponent rule, x power m power n is equals to, we can write it as x power mn. That means we can multiply the power or we can reverse the power, x power n power n. So it becomes 2 power minus 3 times 2 power 2 times 2 by 2 power 3 whole power minus 1. So 2 power minus 3 times 2 power 4 by 2 power 3 whole power minus 1. Another exponent rule, x power m times x power n. That means if the base are equal and power and there is a multiplication sign in between, you can write the base 1 and add the powers. So our numerator becomes 2 power minus 3 plus 4 by 2 power 3 whole power minus 1. So our numerator becomes 2 power 1 by 2 power 3 whole power minus 1. So we can write 2 power 1 as 2 and 2 power 3 as 2 times 2 times 2 whole power minus 1. We can cancel out the power. So 1 by 2 times 2 whole power minus 1. So 1 by 4 whole power minus 1. According to exponent rule, a power minus 1 is equals to 1 by a, or 1 by a is equals to a power minus 1, which is equal. So 1 by 4 whole power minus 1. To eliminate the negative power, we can write 4 by 1 or 4. I hope each and every step is clear and you learned the exponent rules and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you face any difficulty related to any maths topic, you can comment down your question. Thank you so much for watching this video.